Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello friends and welcome to another video of Technical Chaharji. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the latest update which is going to implement from the 30th of October on your Google Adwords account, or we can say on your Google Ads account. So I'm going to tell you about what this update is, how you can do the settings change in your Google Ads account. So I'm your friend Manish and you're watching Technical Chaharji, so get straight right with the video. So earlier this year, the Google Ads has said that they are going to enable the parallel tracking on their accounts. So what this parallel tracking is, as per this mail which you can see over here, it says that parallel tracking is an optional feature to improve your landing page speed by sending users directly to your website, while all click measurement is processed in the background. Starting 30th October, parallel tracking will be required for all Google Ads accounts to ensure a better landing page experience for users. At that time, the account opt-in settings will be removed and parallel tracking will become the only click measurement next for the Google accounts. So if you haven't then enabled that Google parallel tracking in your account, you can check this settings where I'm going to show you. And why this parallel tracking is happening, let me just first talk about this. So parallel tracking is happening because what happens in the mobile site when the user browsing, even after a very 5 seconds, there's an incremental drop up to 30 to 40 seconds in the users. To overcome that and to improve the user behavior or the user experience, the Google has come with the parallel tracking, and this is how you can enable it in your account. So first you need to log in into your Google Adwords account or Google Ads account. I already logged into my Google Ads account, and over here when you go, you will see an overview screen. So from the overview screen, you need to go to settings over here. Once you click on the settings, it will show you that how many campaigns or any other things which you are running right now. Then after clicking on the settings, you need to go to account settings over here. And in the account setting, first one is the tracking. So here it is set in no option set. So here you need to go and enable this button of parallel tracking. As soon as you will turn it on, it will say you might want to consider turning on auto tagging as many tracking systems will require this. So just click on save and your parallel tracking will be enabled. Personally, I have a trouble finding out that where I can enable the parallel tracking, but with the help of this video, you can able to clearly enable the parallel tracking and let your user experience a better experience on the mobile sites and a faster upload of your sites on their mobile devices. So that's all from this video. I hope you like this video. If you want to know how to do other things, do let me know. And please like this video, share it with your colleagues so they can do the parallel tracking before 30th of October. And please give us a video a like and don't forget to subscribe.